ito yung aming ginagawa na ng programa, mga training, regulations, at this will be implemented as soon as the scholars, or the farmer scholars will be available. But for now, we have, even without the rice tarification law, meron na kami mga programa na naka-allocate for this year, 2019. And in fact, we are giving priority to agriculture because it's about food security. And of course, that is, ang mga priorities namin ngayon is the Build program. Dahil kasi we have a shortage ng skilled labor para sa mga construction companies natin that will implement yung mga Build program natin. And then we have the agriculture because of the rice tarification law, and then tourism, and then kasama in that order, and then others follows. And